I ran into this last week. Here's what fix did for me. If you're looking to unlink a bank account on Sezzle, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Log into your Sezzle account. Open the Sezzle app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option, usually located in the menu or profile section. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, look for the payment methods section where your linked bank accounts are displayed. Step 4. Choose the bank account to unlink. Identify the bank account you want to unlink and click on the option to manage or edit it. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. Before starting recovery, use the SROC link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Sometimes, you might need to verify your identity with a code sent to your email or phone. Just keep an eye out for that step. I hope this makes it easier for you to manage your Sezzle account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.